Hey, we have a special treat for all you chocolate lovers out there. We'll be unboxing and reviewing the Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder in the delicious flavor of double rich chocolate. So, let's get right into it. First things first, you'll notice the sleek and compact packaging. It's a 2-pound container that fits perfectly in your gym bag or kitchen pantry. Now, let's open it up and take a look inside. The lid reveals a freshness seal, ensuring the purity and quality of the product. Once removed, you'll be greeted by the mouth-watering aroma of chocolate. Taking a scoop of this protein powder, you'll feel its fine texture. It easily blends with your favorite beverage, whether it's water, milk, or a smoothie. No clumps or grittiness here, just smooth, creamy goodness. Now, let's mix it up and give it a taste. The richness of the chocolate flavor is simply divine. It's like indulging in a decadent dessert without any guilt. But it's not just about the taste. Each serving packs 24 grams of high-quality protein, perfect for muscle recovery and growth. Speaking of quality, Optimum Nutrition is a brand trusted by athletes and fitness enthusiasts worldwide. They use only premium ingredients and have a commitment to excellence. So, you can rest assured knowing you're fueling your body with nothing but the best. Whether you're hitting the gym, recovering from a workout, or just looking to supplement your daily protein intake, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder and Double Rich Chocolate is a game changer. Its irresistible flavor and quality formula make it a winner in every aspect. So, what are you waiting for? Give your taste buds a treat and your muscles the fuel they need. Order your Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder today and let it take your fitness journey to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome product reviews and fitness content. Happy training!